Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to use the search filters in Canva. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. But if you want to watch the complete playlist on Canva, you can check out the description. Okay, let's get started. Now in this lesson we are talking about the search filtering. Now we have discussed some of that in the earlier videos, but just for your reference or reminder, I'm explaining it again. You have this search bar here whenever you want to search in any of the section under elements, under uploads. You have the search bar right here. So for example, if I want to see something like business templates, it will definitely search for all the business templates that I can use in my designs. But when we talk about more options, I can click here, I can choose the language, you choose the color scheme that I want is preferable. Similarly, in the elements, for example, if I write, let's say business here again, so you can filter it further. When you write business here, you can choose any particular colors that you want your elements to be in. You can use the orientation shape like square, vertical, or horizontal. You can write it that you want the elements to be static or animated. So you can apply these filters and it will give you better results in selection of your tools. So similarly, like for example, for photos, I can search for a particular photo and change the color scheme, change the selection or orientation, and cutouts only, apply filters. So these are some of the filters that I applied, and now I have choices like these. So whenever you apply filters, you will see the number of filters you applied right here. And whenever you want to reset, you can just click on this filter tab and click on clear all, and it will be reset to the original search filter. So that's search filter in Canva. Just another quick way to work through your projects or find the elements that you need to use in your design. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.